Ungqongqoshe wezamandla kanye nezogesi uthi ukusashazwa kogesi nokunganakekelwa kwengqalasizinda yawo sekholele ekutheni kusetshenziswe uhlelo lokwehlisa umthamo wogesi osetshenziswayo ngenhloso yokuwonga i-load reduction kwabanye omasipala.
Previously, we could all of us blame load shedding, the inadequacy of the generation that resulted in households not having electricity. But now we know that this threat and the risk has materialized, has come to pass as a result of perennial underinvestment in the distribution infrastructure.
uRamokgopa uthi uzoyibheka nalenselelo yokwenyusa kwentengo yogesi kwabanye omasipala. Lokhu kuza nje ngeledlule iCity Power yamemezela ukuthi izakhamuzi zaseGoli sezizokhokha imali eyengeziwe ngama200 uma zithenga ugesi wekhadi ngenyanga.
You are getting to a situation where the lower middle class, your public servants also cannot afford the cost of electricity in this country. So as we speak now, is an affordability question. Over a period of time, we don't address it, is a national security problem.
uRamokgopa uthi sayinselele indaba yomasipala bakweleta iEskom njengoba lokhu kwenza ukuthi ingakwazi ukugcina ingqalasizinda yayo isesimeni esifanele. Icela ku78 billion rand imali omasipala bayikweleta iEskom.
Eskom needs this money for it to be able to reinvest back into its own infrastructure. Municipalities have to pay that money, but I did tell you that municipalities on objective grounds, they simply don't have the means to be able to pay for that money.
Umnyango wezamandla nogesi uthi icela ku600 billion rand imali esiyongekile njengoba lelizwe lingasasebenzisi